How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to review this Dovoh professional laser level. I am about to start remodeling my bathroom, and this tool should be very helpful for that and many other projects around the house. Once we open the box, we're going to find this really nice and sturdy protective carrying case. The case got these secure latches that won't open just by pulling on them. You actually have to press that release lever on the bottom to get them opened. That's a good security feature to protect little children from getting a hold of their laser. The inside of the case is lined with foam padding to keep everything securely in place and to prevent everything from bouncing around during transport or storage. So here's what's included in the case. First, the laser level itself, glasses for enhanced visibility, a remote to operate this tool from the distance, 2 lithium-ion battery packs, single slot battery charger, USB-C charging cable, and the brick. Target plate for calibrating the tool, laser brightness guidance card, and owner's manual. Next, we've got this height adjustable base for the laser tool, tripod adapter screw, and last but not least, this bracket that allows for a couple different mounting options. The build quality of this tool is really good. Everything looks and feels well done. The tool also has this black and orange rubberized protective layer that gives you some level of protection from bumps and drops. On the bottom, we've got standard 1/4-inch thread hole for mounting it on the tripod. The tripod is not included as part of this package, but you can use any regular camera tripod, and it's going to work for these purposes just fine. This tool can operate in 2 different modes. If you move the switch to the unlocked position, it's going to release the pendulum where all of the lasers are attached to. That's going to allow lasers to freely float, and it's going to give you this true natural gravitational level. In unlocked mode, the tool needs to be perfectly leveled within 4 degrees angle. Otherwise, it's going to start beeping and flashing, letting you know that your measurements may not be accurate. If you move switch back to the locked position, it automatically turns off the tool and locks the pendulum. In some cases, you may want to use the laser level in the locked position if you would like to align things at specific angle. In that case, keep the switch in locked position and then press and hold the power button for a few seconds to turn on the tool. Now you will be able to set it at the desired angle without triggering the alarm. On this particular P4360G model, we have 4 laser heads, 2 vertical and 2 horizontal, and you can toggle all of them on and off in any desired combination. You can also turn on the pulse mode, which allows you to use this tool with the receiver to extend the range of the laser level. The remote has same exact controls except for the power button. You still have to manually turn this tool on initially. And it has 1 extra button for adjusting brightness, which could be useful in very dark or bright environments. There's also a USB port on the side of this tool. It can be used for charging the battery, or you can run the tool using the power cable without even inserting the battery. If you're working in a really bright environment, the included glasses help to improve visibility of the laser beam for human eye. This bracket has many different ways of mounting the laser level. It comes apart, and on this side we've got pretty strong magnets to attach it to the metal objects. On the bottom we've got threaded holes for tripod in 2 different sizes. On the top we have this hole to hang it on the nail or a screw. We can reattach the other part of the bracket and slide it up and down to adjust the height. There's also this adjustable spring-loaded clamp. And you can also move this platform for the level up and down to make small fine-tune adjustments. I gotta say, it's pretty impressive and a versatile mounting bracket. When using level itself without a tripod, this adjustable base could be useful for making minor adjustments. This laser level tool could be useful for many projects around the house, such as hanging bookshelves, especially if you need to hang multiple shelves and align them properly. Carpentry or woodworking. Business or construction. For example, installing these long handrails on each side of the hallway. Another good example is remodeling a bathroom. and installing tiles on the walls or on the floor. The price for this tool may vary depending on which model you want to buy and what accessories come included with it. And if you're interested, check out the link down in the comments section below. I hope this video gives you a pretty good idea of what to expect from this tool. And if it was helpful, please give it a like. I would greatly appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.